Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mazda BT-50 XT single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5224. The shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a P4 AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. P4 AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, ARB bull bar with all bolts, brackets, spotlights, grille and filler panel. Left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left door has 2 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. There's a Flexiglass alloy tray with all bolts and brackets. Rear ladder rack, less toolboxes. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.